In this video, we're going to discuss the triangle sum theorem. And the triangle sum theorem is a foundational theorem to many of the other theorems we're going to discuss this year. And before we discuss that, I want to make sure that we understand that we have defined interior angles of a triangle. All right, and these are the three original angles of a triangle, and I'm going to draw those now. Pictured above, we have our triangle, and we're just making sure that we specify right now that the interior angles are the ones that I'm highlighting here in green. All right, so these are examples of our interior angles. Now let's talk about the triangle sum theorem. The triangle sum theorem says that the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. A visual example is if we have a triangle, any triangle with any angles such as A, B, and C, we can take the measure of angle A, add it to the measure of angle B, and the measure of angle C, and I know that it'll equal 180 degrees every single time. Let's look at an example. In these two examples, we're going to find the missing angle, which is indicated by the question mark. So we will apply the fact that all three angles need to add up to 180 to find our missing one. In this first triangle, we have the angle 78 and 31. So we're going to start by adding those together. So I'm going to take 78 plus 31. And that gives me 109 degrees. Okay, this is not my final answer because I'm looking for the missing third angle. So to find that, I'm going to take 180 and I'm going to subtract 109. This leaves me with a possible measure of 71 degrees. So I know that this angle here is equal to 71 degrees. Let's look at my next one. I have two angles, 40 and 30. I'm going to start by finding their sum. 40 plus 30 is 70. I want to know what my missing third angle is, so I'm going to take the sum of 70 and subtract it from 180. And when I do that, I get 110 degrees.